My name is Anvika and we are going to speak about gulab jal. This makes us soft and it don't put it on your eye. This gulab jal, it is made out of nice things. It smells like a rose and it makes your skin very soft like Nivea. See, the rose sign.
Yeah, so nice.
It's like syrup.
Yeah, from Sri Sri.
You can smell it. It's from Sri
You can
the meditation.
the Guru.
Museum.
Yeah,
The Guru meditation. It's very good. Like when you smell it, and we'll show you how to spray it.
yeah.
So first, when you open it, you do this. Yeah.
Show it on your hand. Show
And
it on your
see-
hand.
And see this.
And you could sit down. Yeah.
Sometimes it's like this. Yeah, it comes like fog. Yeah, but please don't keep it in your eye. After this, I already told that. Please don't keep it on your eye directly when you keep it. If you want, you can watch your face. Keep it on your face. One day I did. A long time ago, I did that.
Oh my God. So we have to be careful. We should not do that.
And
But does it smell
I
good?
am 6 years old. I am 7 years old, and he's 6 years old. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell, and then we can show you more videos if you like the video. Thank you. Goodbye. And do the thumbs up.
Okay.